Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
Short tech. Wait. We want you to eat your tail on camera. Sure. Cinco. Look. There's your tail. There's your tail. Wait. Wait. Oh my god. You hurt so bad right now.
She looks so evil.
She's super nuts. Hey. Chill. Now eat your tail. Oh.
Nope. She's just gonna crawl on you. This is so funny.
Come here. Hey, eat your tail. Eat your tail. You know you want to eat. Yeah, there you go. There you go. The only cat who's also a parrot. We have a hybrid.
She's so happy. She's like, I'm parrot cow.
Oh!